Did you know you can create a logo for your business or branding without a deep knowledge of digital arts? Today I will show you how to create simple but elegant logos using Canva. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com. Click the Create Design button and search Logo. As you can see, there are many options on what type of logo you want to create. But we will use the general layout for a logo. On the right, as you notice, there are a lot of free templates we can use for our logo. Let's try using this one. We can change the text on what brand name we want to use. For this example, let's assume that this logo is for a photo studio business. So I want to name it Candid Studio. We can resize text or shapes based on our preference. We can also change the color that we think will be eye-pleasing for future clients. So here it is, as easy as that. You now created your own logo. Now let's try to use this font template. It is helpful for logos based on the owner's name and initials. I will just copy this letter A and paste it on the blank page. The same thing to the letter M. Just align everything to make it look perfect and organized. I will also add text below for some details. If you don't like to use templates and make your logo originally but can't afford to use high-end applications, Canva will save you too. Using their elements with a lot of graphics, you can fully customize your logo without you drawing from scratch. Let's recreate the AM initial logo without using any template. Let's add a heading first. I will use Blanca as my font. I will use a color hunt for my color palette. Save it because we will use it later. We will just copy this and paste it onto the next page and then change its color. Now let's add an element and search for a curved line. Resize it based on the size of the letter. Change its color same to the color of the letter, and copy and paste it. For the second curved line, we will change its color to white and adjust its size to make something like this. Send it backward. Now we will use the one that we made earlier. Just drag and drop it, resize it, and crop just like this. Send it backward 2 times so the white curve will be above it. And now we just made a simple logo without using a template. For the last one, let's try to create a graphic logo for a coffee shop. On the Elements tab, click the line and choose the hexagon. I use a coffee color palette for this one. Just copy the hex code of the darkest color to make it the base of our logo. Next, copy and paste the hexagon and add a dashed border with a thickness of 2. Use a lighter color to make it visible. Just make it smaller than the first one. Next, let's find graphics for coffee. Place them in the middle, just adjust their color to match the palette. Search for a ribbon banner. This one matches the coffee graphics. Adjust it and place it at the bottom. Now we will add the name of the brand. I want to name it Big Brew. Change its font to Brassica. Change the font color, and add the curve effect to make it look good. Let's add some lines like this. This is where we put the established year of the business. I use Hammersmith 1 font for this. Just adjust the letter spacing to make it look equal. For additional details, let's just find the coffee beans graphic. Change its color, and place it on top. Now we have an elegant detailed logo for our coffee shop. By the way, these are all free elements. I guarantee you that you will save time and money for your logos in the future using Canva. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.